Hey guys, so it's like really early in the morning right now, but I thought I would make this video and apologize for not making a video in like a very long time. But as you can see, I've got Titan out, my Burmese python. I have to say he has got the sweetest temperament I have ever seen, you know, in a young snake. I mean, because he's only 6 months old now, and it just amazes me. Anyway, so while he's out with me during this video, I have got some exciting news to share with you guys. So it happened back in October, and I'm still super excited, even though I haven't got them yet. But what happened was I ordered my reptile cages back in October, and words cannot explain how accomplished I feel and just how excited I am about getting them and everything. It probably won't be until sometime after Christmas when I get them. So, and I ordered 8 of them just because 4 of them is going to be for future purchases, because I do plan on getting some more snakes in the future, which is really exciting. But yeah, I hope you guys are as excited as I am about, you know, seeing them and everything. Titan is just like, he's such a handsome boy. But yeah, I hope you guys, like I said, are looking forward to that, because, oh my God, I cannot wait. What are you doing? Anyway, I also wanted to give a little update on Titan, because he's already had like 3 sheds with me so far, and oh my gosh, he is growing so fast. It's unreal. I love him so much. Alright guys, so I can't wait. So if you guys enjoy this video, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, because I promise you guys, the day that my cages arrive, I will be making a video as soon as I can on that day. I know the 8 cages, that's like a lot. And oh yeah, I did purchase them through on Facebook, Herptastic Reptiles. They are amazing, and I know of that because I've got friends who have bought from them over and over, and their quality I've seen is amazing. They're just beautiful. A bit pricey, but well worth it from what I've seen from other people's, you know, experience with them. But yeah, I mean, for myself, I'm just extremely excited about getting mine. I mean, I just cannot wait. But okay, so like I said, if you guys like and enjoy this video, please subscribe to my channel if you want to see my cages and everything. I will give more detail about them once I make the video showing them and everything. I will go through and give each size the dimensions of everything that I got. So, and whose is whose for my snakes and stuff that I own now. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and God bless. Bye.